Alright, so today we'll be showing you how to disassemble and just do a basic cleaning of your Glock 19 or any other Glock, really. Same concept. So you start by checking the chamber, make sure it's empty. If you haven't dropped the mag, drop the mag. Pull the trigger. Depress the slide just a little bit, just enough for that to go indent a little, but don't go too far, because you go too far and it'll reset the trigger. So pull the trigger, push it back a little bit. Depends, you can do it however you want. Different people do it different ways, but this is how I do it. Push it back a little, press the bars down. Get those two little levers, simultaneously pull them down. Slide will come off. Take out your spring, your guide rod, and your barrel. You take your brush and a pad, spray a little. Usually doesn't need much. Put it over it and brush it with it. It's pretty darn good. Don't gotta get too crazy here. Clean this face here. There's that. That's pretty darn good. This doesn't really need much of anything here. Just a little wipe down. Alright. In this video we're not going to go too in depth of the breakdown, but in different video we'll show you how to take apart the whole entire slide. All the internals here will just come off. It's pretty easy. And then how to take apart the rest, the trigger group, pull everything out, take the mag release out, all that good stuff. So today we're going to be using this Hops kit here for 9mm. Take this baby here. Take one of these. For time's sake, I'm just going to use a knife, but I'd be better off using scissors. That should do. Spray it a little bit. Run that baby through here. Take your barrel. First thing, brush the feed ramp a little bit. This one's already somewhat clean, but just run that baby through a couple times. If it's really dirty, you're going to want to use that bristle. You want to use that piece if it's real dirty. Run it through first with some oil, then run a couple patches through. This one's not bad, so take care of that. That really is about it. Put it back in. Put the part with these little teeth, that, sit right in there. Take your guide rod spring, put it in here. Takes care of that. And you just line the back of the slide up with right here, right in there. Just rack it. That's it. Easy enough. There you have it. Glock 19 cleaning.